So let's go start today with the single crochet. Okay, so single crochet is chain 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and then we're gonna do a single crochet. So single crochet, you have to add 1 chain for turn, then you put your hook in the first chain here, take the yarn, pull through, you have a 2 loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and this is a single crochet. Again, go inside the chain, take the yarn, pull the yarn, 2 in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and again, this is the chain. So insert the hook in the chain, take the yarn, pull through, you have a 2 loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, again 2 loop, yarn over, pull through, insert the hook and the last chain, pull, yarn over, pull through 2, and we completed the first row. Now every time you do single crochet, you have to make a chain 1, turn your work, and this one is gonna be your first single crochet where you have to work on it. Okay, the chain 1 you need just for turn the work, otherwise it's gonna be crooked like that. So again, 2 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can not miss it because we have a space, so you know exactly where you have to put your hook. See, 1 and 2. So here, pull through 2, and then here, take the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. Now, a lot of people make a mistake when you do the single crochet because you don't have enough space to see which one is the last stitch. So somebody think this is the last one, but it's not. So if you don't work in the last one here, your work is gonna be like in one direction. So don't forget that here, you see this one, this 2 chain here, this is the last single crochet. So pull your hook here, take the yarn, pull through, you have a 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you're gonna have a straight edge like that. Okay, let's go do it again, one other row, chain 1, turn your work, this is the first single crochet, and then again we are here, see, this is the last one, single crochet, and then we have it, straight edge, single crochet. So if you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment below, and then I'll see you for the next tutorial.